Yo, what's good guys? October 31, 2025, today is Friday, last day of the week and the month. So let's get over today's trade recap. So as you can see for today, let me erase. Okay, as you can see, NQ was traded way above new week opening gap. As you can see, yes, stop in new week opening gap and reject from it. So there we have an SMT with this early CISD. Alright, so my bias for today was pretty clear, as you can see here. Huge SMT, strong close candles, expecting higher price for the day. As you can see, I was looking something like this: manipulation internal to external. So I was looking price to rebounds the range, and trade in this big 1 hour sweeping this session liquidity in here, which is also okay. So if you mark out this range, as you can see, we have this fair value gap, the lower portion, which is in premium. So I was looking at this fair value gap to get tapped. We are in the early CISD, below 3-day open, below session liquidity, in the premium of the range. So I'm looking to take a long, and I was looking pretty reliable on my longs. As you can see, we have all this liquidity above we are seeking if we are looking for longs. As you can see, we ended up not looking for longs in the daily candle. So okay, as you can see, market open here. So market open, we start trading lower, we manipulate London, Asia, and we just tap in my point of interest, as you can see here. So price tap in this 5 minute, which is the lower portion in premium of the higher time frame range, which is this CISD in the early. So I'm looking to get into a long as soon as possible. So when we saw this CISD, I entered. I'm pretty high, as if my bias is correct, we are probably just ripping. So I was aiming for pre-market buy side. As you can see, we get this CISD, which with this fair value got overlapped. So I like this as an entry trigger, which break-even point in here. You can see we open it in here, this 15 minute, this 5. So this high is my break-even point. I want to see price speed in this level if we are going to continue higher. So this is my break-even point. So as you can see, we enter here, price starts this not delivering as I expect price to deliver. We ended up running through this fair value gap, we hold in here, reject again. So I tried my stop in here, because if we take this low, we're probably going lower. But what happened today? Okay, as you can see, ES is same as Nasdaq, more or less. You can see 1021. Okay, when I saw this kind of prints in here, ES was already taking this low, so I just take back my stop loss in here, looking like an internal manipulation plus SMT, and price continued to go higher, but that ended up just making me lose my initial amount. So I took a big loss here, and once I saw this setup failed, I'm practically not even going to look at the charts anymore, because my idea is not presenting, it's being disrespected. So I was about to go off the charts, but I just saw that we use made this internal, like this candle is just a stop hand. So you can see here we didn't even took all of these highs, so that was just a stop hand that unfortunately got us off guard. So we re-enter it after this clean inverse fair value gap, lower size, targeting the same. Alright, targeting the same. My break even in here, we got break even with some discrete displacement, but once we reach premium in here, overlap with this 5-minute fair value gap in here, price reject from there, and that early, we just create that early fair value gap in here, that price just tapped in here, ripped, validation my idea for today completely. But at least this trade was a break even, so I just took my first loss. But as I said, this is unfortunate that we got caught in this stop rate with high size, and we just took this trade that finally ended up playing out lower size. So we didn't have the best luck, but I'm happy because my idea was fair enough, right? I would say, because we just like this setup got like 72 points in profit, which is almost 2.5 risk reward. So yes, that's my trade recap for today. We ended up the week break even. Let's see November brings better opportunities here, because October was pretty rough for me. And yes, this is my trade recap. See you next week, guys.